this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix YouTube Playback error after latest update. Let's get started. First, force close YouTube app, launch it, completely close it and relaunch it. Likewise, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. So navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. If you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, clear cache for the app, so launch settings. Navigate to the option General, head over to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find YouTube and launch it. Click on Offload app and confirm it. For the Android device, press and hold on the YouTube app, select the option App Info, click on Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Likewise, if you are connected to any VPN, disconnect to it, as these can also cause these kind of problem. Next up, completely delete YouTube from your device and reinstall it. Lastly, if none of these solutions works for you, what you can do is check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in YouTube server status and search for it. Navigate to the website down detector. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from then. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.